It was a beautiful evening. Ravi was walking across a large field on the outskirts of town. There, he spotted an elephant. Ravi had always been fascinated by elephants and stood there in awe of its sheer magnificence. However, something he noticed suddenly shocked him. This massive elephant, a creature of unstoppable strength, was held in place by nothing more than a thin metal chain tied to one of its legs. Ravi thought to himself, if this elephant wanted to, it could uproot a tree with one tug or snap that chain into pieces. But why does it stand there so weakly, without making any effort? Is it fear? Or is it just laziness? Unable to contain his curiosity, he approached the mahout who was sitting nearby. "Sir, I have a doubt," Ravi asked. "Why have you tied such a massive elephant with such a thin chain? It doesn't even try to escape. Why is that?" The mahout offered a calm smile and began to explain. "Son, this elephant is grown now, but we brought him to us when he was just a few months old. At that time, we used this exact same size chain to tie his leg. Back then, he was small and lacked strength. That baby elephant would pull and tug with all his might to break the chain. He would struggle all night long, sometimes until his leg bled. But at that young age, that chain felt like a mountain to him. Despite days of struggling, he couldn't escape. After failing so many times, a belief became deeply rooted in the elephant's mind. I can never break this chain. Now, the elephant has grown up, and his strength has increased 1,000-fold. But even today, whenever he looks at that chain, his old memories resurface. He still believes, I am weak. I cannot break this. His body has gained strength, but his mind has not yet found freedom. That is why he never even tries." Like that elephant, many of us live our lives bound by invisible chains. We might have failed a subject once in school. We might have struggled during a job interview. We might have faced a loss in a business venture. Taking that one failure as a permanent truth, we bind ourselves with a mental chain, telling ourselves, I can't do this. Before the world calls us weak, our own minds make us slaves. Remember, your strength does not lie in your body. It lies in your thoughts. The chain that defeated you yesterday is nothing more than a thin thread today. Past failures are merely experiences. They are not your permanent identity. Keep trying, and success is certain. If you like this story, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.